So I've actually had this thing on for a while. And I was working on the graphics, if anybody saw that. Branding, those sort of things.
I used to scrub all my notes from the previous year in order to figure out where my
Let me pull up chat, 'cause I haven't been looking at all.
With Jobber, all the data is organized where I need it. With simple reports,
But
right there. My revenue
we're not doing graphics design, first of all.
Using Jobber, because I know how to re-engage with our current clients
Simulation.
and referral business. And I know where to spend my marketing dollars
Programming.
to gain new clients. Claim your free trial today.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Notice my hair sticking out on the side.
I grew up in West Virginia, and every night
Love
our
it.
family centered around the dinner table. It was then that I learned that nutritious
We have to
foods...
fix these music stuff. Oops. Yeah, we're still looking at society simulation. Programming. Artificial intelligence. The Matrix. Oh man. Okay. We have no update reward function. We have an update ethics function. Hey, we're updating the world. We're hungry, we're horny, we're hungry, we're horny. When we update state, we don't know where that is. Update the unit. Update reward. I replace nothing. Where are we just at? And this program has gotten so big. State doesn't really do anything. We've done this a couple times. We write code in, then we delete it, and we write it, then we delete it. Do action. Do we call do action anyway? We say do action in the test DRL. Let's say, let's go to our top level of our program. Let's exit everything, go to main. When we run our program, we run our loop. Our loop calls our update loop. We update the units. When we update the units, statistics, what does the run loop do? It draws the cells, it draws the GUI, queues the events, it flips the display. So we could add a comment here. Handles, simply handles Pygame. And calls the world update function. All it does is it draws the cells. Simply handles Pygame in drawing the GUI, the cells and GUI. I don't really even, like, I got distracted for a second. Our update function updates the units. That's where we have this new pretty update function that we've got going on. We need to, like, write out this excuse me, this thing that we're doing. We need to find update state because one, it's not showing up here. Self.units is a set. It should be more explicit, but we don't have it defined. The update state function here. I hate that it's the only one that's capitalized at the front. There we go. So we update our energy. Increases age. So this is where we say if self dot target action equals target action nothing, we return. But do we want to do this? We don't know if we even want to do this right now. We want to see if we can get it to say self age plus 1, self energy minus equals 1, but we only want to do that if we're not doing anything. So but we are gonna say get older. We're actually going to do this. I don't really like doing this, but we're going to do this. I would love to use lambdas, but we can't multi-thread lambdas the way that I'd like to. Python won't let us. C would let us, but it's not the same in C. It's not really, yeah, it's not the same at all. Adds 1 to our age, and then decreases the energy of the unit by 1 if the target action. There we go. This is where we want to do this. If the target action is nothing, let's fix this, because targeting, let's make it a part of the learning. From targeting dot target import target action. Is it targeting system as well? No, that's action. I know it's probably stupid to have that be like that, but where were we at? Not the targeting system, not in it. This way we can say DGL engine learning target action. That is nicer. Then we can do ethics matrix too. There we go. Now they're at the same level. That makes sense. Cool. We can't do that. Agency, Azimuth, right? If that broke it, then we're gonna fix it because... Okay, that works. So when we update state, when we update the unit, see, we've got this. Where were we just at? Update energy. This is where we'd increase happiness. Nope, we're gonna do all that. We're just gonna say decrease energy. We're gonna say energy loss. So when we update state, the first thing we're gonna do is self get older, self.energy loss. This is where the happiness should come out. Life suck. But we've got to go back to society. Here's the life suck function. If self.content happiness +1, else if so decreases the happiness of the unit by 1 if it's greater than 0 and we're not content. So if we are content, we will not lose happiness. There we go. And this is a life suck unless you're content. Look at that logic. Look at how that makes sense. Isn't that crazy? Isn't it crazy that it actually makes sense? So if the state's alive, then we'll just do some random thing. Choose a random state, choose a random action. Azimuth chose random action. Let's do this with alert level. And alert level. Where is updating world?